Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. Marvel just released its latest series on Disney+, She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, and I thought it was a cool idea to draw this main character in my own style. So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. She-Hulk, Attorney at Law is an American television series created by Jessica Gao for the streaming service Disney+, based on the Marvel comics featuring the character She-Hulk. It is the 8th television series in the Marvel Cinematic Universe produced by Marvel Studios, sharing continuity with the films of the franchise. It follows Jennifer Walters, a lawyer specializing in cases involving superhumans who also becomes the green superhero She-Hulk. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. She-Hulk, or Jennifer Walters, is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. Created by writer Stan Lee and artist John Buscema, she first appeared in the Savage She-Hulk #1 in 1980. Walters is a lawyer who, after an injury, received an emergency blood transfusion from her cousin Bruce Banner and acquired a milder version of his Hulk condition. As such, Walters becomes a large, powerful green version of herself. Unlike Banner, she largely retains her personality, in particular the majority of her intelligence and emotional control. Like the Hulk, she is still susceptible to outbursts of anger and becomes much stronger when enraged. As a highly skilled lawyer who became a superhero by accident, she frequently leverages her legal and personal experience to serve as a legal counsel to various superheroes and other meta-humans. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Hey, you! Yes, you! Would you like to own a sticker or a print or a t-shirt or a coffee mug with my art on it? Well, from now on, that's possible. I opened a webshop on Redbubble. Redbubble is a global online marketplace for print-on-demand products based on user-submitted artwork. So I upload my art and they will print it for you on a wide range of cool products and gadgets. This way you can get yourself some original designs and support me as an artist at the same time. I've put a link in the description if you want to take a look, but you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm already very honored that you are here watching my video. And you can also support me for free by subscribing to my channel or just liking this video. Now back to making art. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, and tell me, are there some other Marvel characters you would like me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!